Imagine waking up and putting on a leather beak before breakfast. That is your life now. You are a plague doctor. It is the 1300s. The Black Death is tearing through Europe. Whole towns are burying more people than they can count. Someone has to treat the sick. That someone is you. You are not a real doctor. Most trained physicians fled the cities long ago. You were hired because you were cheap, desperate, or simply had nothing left to lose. Your town gives you a contract. It promises payment. It does not promise you will survive the year. Every morning you put on your uniform. A long waxed coat, leather gloves, boots, a wide-brimmed hat, and the mask, the beak stuffed with dried flowers, herbs, and spices. People believe disease travels through bad-smelling air. The mask is supposed to filter it out. It does not work. Nobody in this century knows what a bacterium is. You walk into a house, the smell hits you first. Sickness, sweat, and death mixed together. A family huddles around a dying relative. They look at you with a strange mix of hope and fear. You are their only option. You are also a walking symbol of the disease itself. Children run from you in the street. Some throw stones. They think your presence brings the plague, not just treats it. You examine the patient using a long wooden cane. You do not touch them directly if you can help it. The cane lets you point, lift clothing, and check for swellings without getting close. It also lets you keep some distance from a disease you do not understand and cannot cure. You find the swollen lumps, buboes, hard and dark, in the neck, armpits, or groin. Your treatment options are grim: bloodletting, lancing the swellings, vinegar washes, prayers. None of it saves most patients. You know this. You do it anyway because doing nothing feels worse. By midday, you have visited 6 houses. 2 patients have died while you were still inside. You write their names down for the town records. This is part of your job too. Counting the dead. Your pay depends on your contract. Sometimes it is generous. Sometimes the town cannot afford to pay you at all. Either way, nobody wants to shake your hand. Nobody invites you to dinner. You live apart from your own family now, to avoid carrying the sickness home. Some nights you sleep in the very houses of the dying because no inn will take you in. Your beaked mask, once meant to protect you, now marks you as an outsider everywhere you go. Neighbors whisper that you might be spreading the disease between houses, moving from door to door. They are not entirely wrong. Nobody understands contagion yet. You are unknowingly a vector yourself. Some plague doctors are accused of profiting off the dying, charging extra for fake cures or false hope. Others are accused of witchcraft simply because of how they look and what they cannot explain. There is no guild protecting you, no pension, no guarantee of payment if the town collapses first. If you die treating a patient, there is no one required to bury you properly either. Many plague doctors do die. Exposure to sick patients daily makes infection almost inevitable eventually. The waxed coat and gloves help a little, but no one has told you about fleas, rats, or true causes yet. You cannot wash your hands with soap that kills germs. Germs are not even a concept here. Some days you treat a lord in a fine house, other days a beggar in the street. The disease does not care about rank. Neither really does your treatment. Bloodletting a noble looks the same as bloodletting a farmer. You have seen more death in 1 year than most people see in a lifetime. There is no counselor waiting for you at home, no therapy. Just another morning, another beak, another house. If you survive the plague years, you might be remembered as brave, or forgotten entirely, buried in an unmarked grave. Being a plague doctor was never really about medicine. It was about showing up when everyone else had already left. And that, more than any mask or potion, is the part of the story worth remembering.